We all know exercise is important not only to keep your weight under control, but also for improved body composition, increased energy levels, and for overall well-being. But how much workout should you be doing? Regardless of your fitness level, ideally you should dedicate about 60% of your efforts on cardio and remaining 40% on strength workouts. You can choose to do 3 days of cardio and 2 days focused more on strength, or you can perform combination workout. However, during your workout, your body uses up its glycogen stores for fuel. This results in your muscles being partially depleted of glycogen. Some of the proteins in your muscles also get broken down and damaged. After a workout, your body tries to rebuild its glycogen stores and repair and regrow those muscle proteins. H24 Rebuild Strength is a recovery shake mix that delivers a tricore protein-amino blend of free amino acids. Whey and casein proteins helps rebuild fatigued muscles. A blend of amino acids, carbohydrate, and protein helps support lean muscle mass. Carbohydrate helps enhance muscle recovery by supporting the delivery of branched-chain amino acid for muscle synthesis. L-glutamine helps support muscle recovery. H24 Rebuild Strength provides vitamins and minerals, and it contains no artificial color, flavor, or sweetener. It contains milk protein concentrate, whey protein concentrate, L-glutamine, whey protein isolate, maltodextrin, calcium caseinate. Branched-chain amino acids, that is L-leucine, L-isoleucine, L-valine, vitamins like B1, B2, B5, B6, B12, C, E, biotin, and minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, and sodium. Do you wonder 24 grams of protein content in H24 Rebuild Strength is too much? Or why do this product has carbohydrates, specifically sugar, whereas most of the recovery products contain only protein? Well, the International Olympic Committee issued a consensus statement on supplement urging athletes participating in high-intensity training to consume 15 to 25 grams of protein following exercise to maximize the protein synthesis. H24 Rebuild Strength is a good source of protein to supplement one's diet. Efficient muscle growth is insulin dependent, and insulin is normally released in response to carbohydrate ingestion. We have carefully designed H24 Rebuild Strength to deliver precise blend of both rapid and sustained metabolized carbohydrate. This carbohydrate generates an insulin response to readily use high-quality protein. Simply mix the content of 1 sachet with 240 ml of water and consume once per day.